Welcome to Most Interesting Lists. Today, we're blasting off into a reality that's not quite science fiction anymore. We're exploring 10 futuristic inventions you won't believe already exist. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to dive into a world where minds control machines, cars drive themselves, and organs are printed like 3D masterpieces. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more mind-blowing lists, and if you're loving this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's roll in. Number 10. Bionic replacements. Remember clunky, robotic prosthetics? Forget them. These next-level bionic limbs are marvels of engineering and design. Think super strength that lets you crush concrete, dexterity that rivals a pianist's hand, and even mind-controlled fingers that feel like extensions of your own body. They're not just restoring function, they're redefining what it means to be human. Number 9. Brain-computer interfaces. Remember clunky controllers and awkward gestures? Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are tearing down those barriers. Imagine controlling machines with your thoughts, from wheelchairs and robotic limbs to virtual worlds and even artistic creations. These mind-controlled interfaces are opening up a new era of communication, creativity, and even medical possibilities. Number 8. AI doctors and therapists. Long hospital waits and awkward therapy sessions are becoming a thing of the past. Eye doctors and therapists are available 24/7, offering personalized care, analyzing symptoms with AI precision, and even providing emotional support. From rural villages to bustling cities, this technology is making healthcare more accessible and efficient than ever before. Number 7. Self-driving cars. Buckle up for the future of transportation. Self-driving cars are transforming roads into safer, less congested highways. Imagine kicking back in your car, catching up on emails, or even taking a nap while your car seamlessly takes you to your destination. This technology promises not just convenience, but a revolution in road safety and urban commuting. Number 6. Gene editing revolution. Remember fearing inherited diseases? CRISPR technology is giving us the power to edit genes, rewriting the rules of human health. Imagine curing genetic illnesses once thought incurable, tailoring medicine to your unique DNA, and potentially preventing diseases before they even start. This revolutionary technology holds immense potential, but also ethical considerations that we need to navigate carefully. Number 5. Bioprinting organs. Say goodbye to organ waiting lists. Bioprinting is paving the way for printing human tissues and organs, offering a groundbreaking solution to organ failure. Imagine printing a new kidney for someone in need, eliminating the wait for a donor and saving countless lives. This technology is still in its early stages, but the possibilities are truly revolutionary. Number 4. Personalized nutrition revolution. Ditch the one-size-fits-all diets. This revolution is all about tailoring your food intake to your unique needs. Genetic testing and smart technology analyze your body, revealing your ideal diet for optimizing health and well-being. Imagine apps suggesting perfect meals based on your DNA, smart refrigerators adjusting to your preferences, and personalized vitamins ensuring your body gets exactly what it needs. Number 3. Sustainable energy solutions. Time to break free from our dependence on fossil fuels. Sustainable energy solutions like solar, wind, and geothermal power are rapidly changing the energy landscape. Imagine homes powered by the sun, cities fueled by the wind, and entire regions running on clean, renewable energy. This isn't just about saving the planet, it's about creating a greener, healthier future for all of us. Number 2. Space tourism for everyone. Remember space travel being reserved for billionaires and astronauts? Well, buckle up. Companies are making space tourism accessible, allowing you to witness the majesty of Earth firsthand. Imagine experiencing the thrill of liftoff, floating in zero gravity, and looking back at our beautiful planet from the vastness of space. This isn't just a vacation, it's a life-changing adventure that will expand your perspective and spark a sense of wonder like never before. Number 1. Connected everything with the Internet of Things, IoT. Get ready for a world where everything is connected. The Internet of Things, IoT, is weaving a web of smart devices that communicate and learn, transforming our homes, cities, and everyday lives. Imagine controlling your surroundings with voice commands, your devices anticipating your needs, and even entire cities optimizing energy and resources based on real-time data. This interconnected future promises convenience, efficiency, and a whole new level of awareness. From mind-controlled machines to life-saving organ printing, These 10 futuristic inventions are already bending the lines between science fiction and reality. They're revolutionizing medicine, transportation, energy, and the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. This isn't just a glimpse into the future, it's a reminder that innovation and human ingenuity are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the future is happening right now. Thanks for joining us on this journey through futuristic inventions. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing lists, and hit that bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Let's continue exploring the future together.